Hey everyone, how's it going? I'm Leon with No More Lines. You're new to the channel, be sure to subscribe. Leave a like and a comment and watch the video to the very end. So what you're seeing here is probably your worst nightmare when it comes to Excel VBA. What you're seeing here is a message saying can't find project or library. What this means is that somehow whenever you save your file, the Excel VBA code, the module and the project itself was corrupted. So that means that the VBA code, it doesn't work, but it also means that the entire file itself is corrupted. You can open the file, but you won't be able to run the code, nor will you be able to save a copy of it. Now, you'll be able to access the contents of what's in the file, but that's about all that you can do. If you've written hundreds of lines of VBA code, this is probably the most frustrating thing ever, because if you don't have any backups of your files, you're pretty much SOL. But let me show you how to deal with that. So the first way is you can actually reopen the file with safe mode, and that should go and disable the macros. Now, I did that earlier, and it worked. But when I'm trying to do it again, it's not working for some reason. So let me show you a different way of dealing with that. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna create a separate folder. I'm gonna take that file, I'm gonna copy it, I'm gonna put it into a new folder, and I'm gonna reopen the file. And what should happen now is when you reopen the file, you should see where the macros are actually disabled within the file, and that's because I moved the file to a different place. Now let me show you something. Now, do you see now where I see my VBA code? So yeah, simply moving the file to a different folder, re-enabling macros, makes it to where you can now at least see the code. But to get that file back, what you're gonna do is you're gonna go to Save As, and you're gonna change the file name to something else. And then now when you open that file, it should now open. And everything, it should work as it should. Okay, so when the file reopens, then now you should be able to actually access everything within it. And you'll see here that when I go to my VBA code, it is there. So yeah, that's pretty much how you deal with that. You, like I said, you take the file, you make a copy of it, you put it within a new folder, and then you just open the file. And then what happens is that as long as the Excel will disable macros, you'll be able to take that file and you'll be able to make a copy of it. Again, the easier solution is to open the file up in safe mode, but when I tried it, it didn't do it for some reason. So the way I showed you is the backup of that way. So let me know what you think in the comment section. Have a blessed day.